look at this interesting assortment of early 20th century color images. This is by Reginald Higgins. It's wonderful. And here is a Warwick Goble. And this artist here is signed in the corner, but I can't read it. And this is a Frederick Richardson. Nice Art Nouveau linear style. Here's Edmund Dulac. Here is another wonderful Edmund Dulac. Beautiful fantasy architecture. And here we have Edmund Dulac again. And Edmund Dulac. And here is another Dulac. And another one. And yet another fantastic one of a mythical giant winged creature. And the final one is this here. And so this lot of circa 1910 to around 1930 or so color illustrations is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.